So up until this point of this course, we discussed what a digital product is, how to turn your passion and what you love into an offer based on the so-called value equation, and the different types of digital products that you can create. After that, we concluded to the fact that the best digital products that you can create are either video files or PDFs. Those are the two digital products that you can really focus on. But at the end of the day, the format, the way that you deliver your digital product doesn't matter that much. Now, at this point of this course, your whole idea of digital products will completely change because I will introduce you to the concept of not only offer creation, but actually packing your digital products into not one, but three different offers. Yes, you heard correctly. In order to make your online business around digital products as profitable as it can be, the key here is to not have one offer, but actually three offers. Because these three offers will not only make you more revenue at the end of the day, but they will also upsell your potential customers smoothly from raising awareness to your target avatar about yourself and your offers to completely eradicating every single problem that this target avatar of yours has in your niche. So I would like to welcome you to this lesson, which is called packing your product, your digital product, into three different offers while creating an entire ecosystem out of this idea of yours, right? Out of this passion and out of this love of yours. We're going to be packing this, again, idea of yours and this passion of yours into three different offers, right? And here's the thing. One product is not a business, right? It's a starting point. It's a great way to test the water, if you will, and test the market. But a true offer ecosystem, which is composed of a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, and a high ticket offer, which have just different types of engagement, different types of value, and different types of price points, builds trust, revenue, and repeat customers. It pretty much increases the lifetime value of your customers. So in this lesson right here, you'll know exactly how to turn one idea of yours into four layered offers. Again, the lead magnet, the low ticket offer, the mid ticket offer, and the high ticket offer. This is going to be a very cool lesson right here. Now, this concept that we described is called the so-called value ladder, right? The value ladder starts with a lead magnet, which is a free quick win that your audience and your target avatar will have immediately after finding out about you. Then the lead magnet smoothly transitions to your low ticket offer, which is an affordable entry-level digital product. Then the low ticket offer transitions and upsells people to your mid-ticket offer, which is a more in-depth and more valuable digital product that just delivers more transformational, again, information. And your mid-ticket offer finally upsells people to your high-ticket offer, which is the most premium, the most personal, and the most transformational type of offer that you might have here. Each step builds trust and increases the income while also increasing the lifetime value of each and every single one of your customers. Now, let's make a small mental exercise here. I want you to think of a lead magnet, a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, and a high ticket offer, and try to think, right, what could a lead magnet be? What type of digital product usually is a lead magnet, a free quick win? And then what type of digital product is a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, and a high ticket offer, right? I want you to think about this, and we're going to be actually answering this question as we go through this lesson right here. So why should you create multiple offers? Well, first of all, people have different needs, different budgets, and different levels of commitment, right? And some people might just want to pay you, let's say, $1,000 or $2,000 to completely have their problem solved, while other people might just want to pay $20, right? If you want to make the most out of your digital product business, you want to be able to serve all of these people, right? Again, your freebie earns attention, which is your lead magnet. And as the name suggests, lead magnet, your lead magnet is there to magnetize potential leads that are here to purchase your low, mid, and high ticket offers. Then your low ticket product builds trust and shows the customers that have paid that this person knows what he's talking about. Then your mid and high ticket offers create deep transformation and profit for your business. So this value ladder right here maximizes revenue without adding more topics. And of course, your lead magnet, your low ticket product, your mid ticket offer, and your high ticket offer all are under the umbrella of what you love to do, which is your passion, which we discussed about in the previous lesson of this course. So let's start with your first offer here, right? And we discussed about the concept of value creation and what is value, right? Which is like the desired outcome of your target avatar times their perceived likelihood of achievement divided by the effort and sacrifice and time investment needed to achieve the stream outcome of them. So based on that, it's time to actually brainstorm and think about your lead magnet. Now, the goal of the lead magnet is to pretty much capture the attention and collect contact information of your customers. A lead magnet, to spoil it for you guys, because again, we brainstormed this in the previous slide, is usually a checklist, a template, a PDF, right? It's usually a PDF guide, something that's easy to create and easy to distribute and provides value instantly. And this is usually a PDF. So again, the format ideas of a lead magnet are usually free checklists, free templates, right? Mini courses if you want to be more extra here, quizzes, ebooks. You must solve a small but annoying problem fast so your target avatar understands that, okay, he knows exactly my problems. He just solved one. Let's check his low ticket offer, right? An example of a lead magnet could be the 5-post Instagram content plan, a free PDF. For example, if you're a content strategist, we do not sell, right, with lead magnets. We just help people, we build trust, and we nurture, again, their trust in order to upsell them to our low ticket offer or to a mid ticket offer. Now, a small remark here before we continue. You do not need to have 3 different offers, right? You do not need to have a lead magnet, a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, and a high ticket offer, right? This is just the optimal online business model out there with digital products, what I'm presenting you in this course right here, because I owe it to you guys to actually present you like the optimal and most frictionless way to transact in this new modern era. You can definitely make money and start transacting with the world with just a mid-ticket offer or just a high-ticket offer. I'm just presenting a complete value ladder of an online digital business. And I would actually suggest you to follow this guide here. So the first step of nurturing attention and turning attention online into revenue through digital products is a lead magnet. You capture attention and you correct the emails of people who are interested in your offers, right? Then it's time to upsell them to your low ticket product. And the goal of your low ticket product is to convert this interest that was captured and nurtured from lead magnets into your first sale. Now, I'm going to give you pretty much a price range of your low ticket product. They usually range anywhere from $7 to $49. In general, you don't want to go lower than $7 because this is just too cheap and it will hurt, let's say, trust, right? If you sell, let's say, a low ticket offer for $1, they will think like, wow, this doesn't feel that premium, $1 really. But for more than $49, it starts to get too expensive for someone who's still experimenting with your offers, right? And some format ideas of a low ticket product could be a very short course, for example, which is again a video type of digital product, an ebook, or again a digital guide. It could also be a PDF, but let's say a bigger type of PDF that solves a more complex problem than your lead magnet. It could be a Notion template or a swipe file, something just more valuable than your lead magnet that just moves people down your value ladder. In general, yes, a lead magnet could also act as a low ticket product. That being said, it's good to also have a lead magnet that just solves an instant problem of your target avatar and then have a low ticket product that solves a more concrete problem, but still that isn't that high up in the problem, let's say, spectrum, right? Example, Notion for creators, a template and walkthrough for $29. This would be an awesome low ticket product. Again, you're solving a problem, which could be that content creators are disorganized and they want Notion to help them with organization. And you give them a template, a simple PDF guide, and a video walkthrough of this template of yours, which is like super simple. And you sell this as a short course with a bonus of a template. And this could go and sell for $30, right? And of course, this sells for $30 under the premise that you have already nurtured them through your lead magnet. So now you have your lead magnet. You delivered instantaneous value with your lead magnet, so people are nurtured, and then they also purchased your low ticket product, so they've seen like how you promise and how you deliver your promises through your product. So now they're ready to move down again or up, depending on how you see it, your value ladder, I guess up your value ladder, And now it's time to present your mid-ticket product. And in general, your mid-ticket product will be your most profitable type of product. This will be the bloodline of your digital product business. You want your mid-ticket product to be absolutely perfect, right? And it really delivers real transformation. It ranges anywhere from 100 or 97, right? We usually say $97 compared to 100 because it just sounds better, to $500 or $499 because again, it sounds better. Some ideas of mid-ticket products are flagship courses. So again, a big amount of video files that are presented under the umbrella of a flagship course, workshop bundles, or digital bundles with community access if you want to be more extra here. But again, we're going to talk about community access and one-on-one access to personally to you on our high ticket offers. So what's the goal of your mid-ticket product? Usually, the goal of your mid-ticket product is to give out all of the transformational information to your target avatar and have them applied by themselves. For example, that's exactly what a flagship course does, right? It has everything recorded, it has everything elaborated in the form of a course, and you hand this whole information that has the ability to completely transform the life of your target avatar to this target avatar of yours, and it's up to them to actually apply this information and see the transformation. An example again could be a content empire masterclass if you're training content creators, a full system, and if you want a private group for them to enter and communicate with other people who are interested in building a content empire masterclass. All right. Again, what I want you to remember regarding your mid-ticket digital product is that it's usually a video format, it's usually a big course, and it solves, or at least it gives out the information that's able to solve all of the problems of your target avatar, right? And this opens an awesome room for your high ticket offer. And what's the difference between a mid ticket offer and a high ticket offer? In high ticket offers, our time and energy is also involved inside of this digital product. And this offer of ours, our high ticket offer or our high ticket product, completely solves every single problem that our target avatar has. We don't only give them information that's able to transform them, we actually help them apply this information. And we help them apply this information either with one-on-one coaching or with community access or with group coaching. So our goal here with our high ticket offer is to completely transform and make sure that our target avatar is transformed deeply, and we also add personal help. And this is where you can really scale and you can really make a lot of money with digital products, right? Keep in mind that mid-ticket offers usually sell automatically by themselves. There is no time and energy input from your side in order to deliver a mid-ticket product. Again, you create it, it's there, of course it's there, and it sells automatically. It does need some maintenance, but that's about it. But on high-ticket offers, on high-ticket product, your time and your energy are also invested into every single one of these high-ticket offers that you're selling. Because imagine selling a $5,000 high-ticket offer that involves personal one-on-one coaching. Obviously, your time and your energy is invested there. So some format ideas of a high-ticket offer would be one-on-one coaching. You promise that you will coach your, again, target avatar one-on-one with 2 calls a week or 3 calls a week, or you will do something for them, done for you services, right? You can also deliver the transformation yourself to them if this is something achievable and if this is something that you can actually do for them. Because if it's like a weight loss, if it's like a weight loss niche that you're in, you can't actually deliver the transformation for them. It's not a done for you service. You can help them with one-on-one coaching, but you can't deliver the service yourself. But if it's, for example, like helping them develop something or helping them code something and you're an expert coder, then yes, you can offer a high-ticket product done for you service, right? Or group programs, for example, with limited seats, right? Cohort programs if you don't want to do one-on-one coaching. An example of a high-ticket offer would be one-on-one coaching, building and launching your course in 30 days for $2,000, for example, with 5 seats per month. And this makes your ceiling $10,000 per month with, again, your offers and only with your high-ticket offer, right? Not to count your mid-ticket offers and your low-ticket offers and your lead magnets. So this is usually how we take one idea and we structure 4 offers around this idea. Let's say, for example, that your idea is productivity with Notion and you're transacting productivity with Notion. You want to transform people from being, unproductive and not having any systems to being productive while using Notion. Your lead magnet could be something like a weekly planner template, which is a PDF. And then your low ticket offer would be a daily dashboard plus a 20-minute tutorial. So we combine a PDF and a small walkthrough video, and this could sell for $19, for example. This would upsell people to your mid-ticket offer, which could be a master Notion for content creators course. Let's say this could sell for $200 or $197, and then your mid-ticket offer, which will sell again automatically, could potentially also upsell people to your high-ticket offer, which would be a private Notion workflow setup. Again, it's a one-on-one service, and let's say that you deliver this service with 2 calls a week. It takes 2 months, and it costs $1.2 thousand. So you can see that if your passion, right, and what you love is Notion, this is how you can transform again your passion into 4 different offers and create a value ladder and an offer ecosystem with what you love. So again, with one idea, you now have 4 income streams, and see how we exponentially increased the lifetime value of our customers. This is the power of offer stacking and creating this offer ecosystem. This works because again, you meet people where they are. They might be complete beginners. And they might not want to invest, let's say, 4 figures immediately, or 3 figures immediately. You can have them, you can see them and meet them in your low ticket offers, and then you give them multiple options. Right? Do you want just the information? Do you want the information and help for me to apply this? Do you want me to apply the transformation for you? Right? So you give them options to choose, and you don't leave any money on the table. So you guide them from something completely free to something paid, and then to something premium, right? This is how you build momentum, you build trust, and you build transformation. And this also will help you collect more testimonials and utilize these testimonials to sell more and more digital products of yours. And this is how you pretty much build a business that scales around your passions without needing to create 10 different things and serving 10 different target avatars. So what's the key takeaway of this lesson right here? First of all, your offer isn't just one product. It's a journey from someone who doesn't know about you to someone that knows about you, to someone who has downloaded something from you, and then to someone who had swiped their card to pay something for you, and then from someone who has seen the value in what they paid for and want more. So you start small with something free, then you deliver quick wins with your low ticket offer, you provide deep value with your mid-ticket offer, and you offer personal transformation that guarantees to solve all of the problems of your target avatar in your high-ticket offer. This is with one message, you have multiple formats and scalable impact, right? So this concludes the content, let's say, and the offer ecosystem that we described about turning your passion into 4 different offers and creating this value ladder, right? And the theory behind offer creation. How can you smartly position your different digital products and your different digital offers, right? So you upsell immediately people from one offer to the other without you needing to always remove friction manually. How to automate this whole process. This is exactly what we're discussing about in the next lesson of this course.